All right, court is calling 2023 CR 4421 and 2023 CR 4422, State of Texas versus Orlando Cuevas. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Brittany Mitchell for the state.
Defense.
Dwight Chumley for the defense.
Are you Mr. Cuevas?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in each of these cause numbers and did you review them with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. If you could, Mr. Chumley, if you could sign that.
Oh, there's an extra one. That's right.
And each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment, Mr. Cuevas. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State and cause number ending in 4421. Are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, we are waiving the repeater, but otherwise proceeding.
No objections.
And state and cause number ending in 4422. Are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, we are waiving count 1 and proceeding on count 2 and waiving the repeater.
Any objection?
No objections.
Thank you. All right, in each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign them in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, you're charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Those are second-degree felonies. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? If you have a,
Your Honor, I'm sorry.
yes,
And I just realized I probably didn't correct the paperwork. On 2023 CR 4422, count 2 is actually the felon in possession.
no problem. If you all will initial. All right, and in cause number ending in 4422, their state is proceeding on the offense that's felon in possession of a weapon. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state in either of these cause numbers, court doesn't have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand in each of the cause numbers, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering these plea bargain agreements, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, ma'am. I believe he was.
Mr. Cuevas, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter these pleas?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promise you anything other than the pleas? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court, in each of the cause numbers, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled plea bargain agreement. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And cause number 2023 CR 4421. State is asking that your punishment be assessed at 2 years in the prison. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 4422. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. And the cause number ending in 4422, they're asking that your punishment be assessed at 4 years in the prison. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 4422. Did you understand that to be the pleas?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Yes. Oh,
Yes.
Defense?
yes.
I looked at you when I said
I had a
that.
flashback. I had a flashback.
All right. In each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then in cause number 2023 CR 4422, how do you plead to count 2? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
And in cause number ending in 4421, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
Your Honor, I have received exhibit number 1 and all attachments for each case.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Oh, if you'll go around, you can't go through there. You're just gonna pull everything down. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna show you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them? Did you sign them in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. The court has reviewed both and the court has accepted both into evidence. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty in each cause number. In each cause number, the court will find you guilty. State, have you had a chance to reach out to the complainant?
Your Honor, unfortunately, one of the complainants is actually a fugitive on drug warrants and the other one is incarcerated.
All right. And cause number, well, are you ready to proceed with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, my client has been very cooperative in the investigation of this matter. He's also showed a lot of remorse. He is going to serve his time and he's going to learn from that. And I told him, what you always say is get something done while you're in there.
Yes. All right. And cause number 2023 CR 4421, the court, as previously stated, has found you guilty. Court will sentence you to 2 years in the prison. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 4422. There's to be no contact with Marboni, Marboni, Nicole Torres. And the court will give you credit for any time served. Is there anything else in that cause number with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
And then in cause number ending in 4422, court will sentence you to 2 years. Just one moment. I'm sorry, back to cause number 4421. The court will find there's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. And then in cause number 4422, the court will sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time, not 2 years, I'm sorry. Court will sentence you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This run concurrent with 2023 CR 4421. Do you guys want to change that? Sure. So it's 4421.
Had so many keys today, Judge.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a busy day in
Yeah.
1987.
So is there anything else with regards to sentencing in that cause number?
No, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled trial court certification with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. From here on out, you better start making better decisions, because if you come back again on a felony case, you will be designated as a habitual. And what that means is on certain felonies, your minimum is 25 years in the prison. Do you understand? All right. And what is that tattoo about with the lady with the tongue sticking out?
I say,
Aztec.
Aztec? Okay.
Moana, not Moana.
No.
That's Polynesian.
That's
All right. So do you have any children?
17-year-old son.
Don't be bringing, I know what the tattoos are for. Don't be bringing that around him, okay? All right, good luck to you.
Orlando Cuevas appeared before Judge Stephanie Boyd with two separate felony cases, 2023, County Route 4421 and 2023, County Route 4422. The charges were serious, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon in the first case, and felon in possession of a weapon in the second. Both carried significant prison time. The proceeding moved smoothly through the standard plea colloquy, with Cuevas acknowledging his rights and the charges against him. The state recommended 2 years in prison for the aggravated assault case and 4 years for the felon in possession case, with the sentences running concurrently. Judge Boyd accepted the plea, finding Cuevas guilty on both counts and imposing the agreed sentences. But then came the moment that mattered most. Leaning forward, Judge Boyd delivered a warning that would echo long after Cuevas left her courtroom. From here on out, you better start making better decisions. If you come back again on a felony case, you will be designated as a habitual. On certain felonies, your minimum is 25 years in prison. Then, noticing the tattoos on Cuevas's arms, Polynesian designs, including a woman with her tongue out, Judge Boyd asked about his family. Learning he had a 17-year-old son, she added a personal touch, don't be bringing that around him. It was a reminder that prison time isn't just about punishment, it's about the example we set for those watching. Cuevas nodded, understanding that this was his last chance to change before the stakes became permanent.